going to do a little bit of our connectors training 101, and WeatherPack is going to be our focus today. Get lots of questions on how to crimp WeatherPack connectors and make a full connection. So today we're going to dive right into it, and we're going to show how to make a WeatherPack connection, how to crimp, and how to do an extraction. So we're going to take a piece of wire. We're going to do a strip. We're going to do just a slight strip of a 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 strip length. We're going to take a seal, which is a wire cable seal for keep water out. And then you take the male terminal or the pin. We use these blue Active Delphi crimpers. Just slide it in the pre-built holder right into the crimper. They're available on our website. It's got a single step crimp. Squeeze into it, and it's going to squeeze around the seal holder and the wire all at the same time. As you see, we've got a nice tight seal around the wire and the seal. We take the second piece, same 0.23 strip. We're going to twist the wire, slide our seal around. This time we're going to take a socket, the mating piece, we're going to put around the seal. We're also going to put it in the hole in the holder. Get it nice and tight. Finish the crimp. Now we have both sides of our connection point. Typically, of course, you would use the same color wire, but for this case, we're going to put the socket into the plug connector and snap, and the pin into the receptacle, which is designated as the male, and lock these two together. We now have a connection. Now, many people ask, hey, how do I get these suckers apart? Well, first of all, getting the back part off is more of a wrestling match than anything. Pretty much got to be a little bit of an artiste. Get that off. And you have to have this yellow, it looks like a screwdriver, but it has a round end on it. Slide this over top of the terminal, and you want to twist until you feel it and it seats across the bottom. Once it hits the bottom, don't do anything else, just simply pull on the wire, plug comes out. Remove the removal tool, process complete. You can do the same thing on the socket side as well. Again, the hardest part is actually getting the lock off. Slide over top of the female terminal, pull. Both pieces are ready to be reused again. That is WeatherPack. If you have any questions, removal tool, crimpers, and strippers are all available on the website. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, sales@CrushinAG.com.